name is Pastor A. Todd of Pleasant Grove Missionary Baptist Church. I thank you all for joining us on today. Listen, I want to talk about something real quick with you, not to hold you long. I want to talk about self-renovation. I read an article by Cherise Walker, so I wanted to give you some of the points that I highlighted in her article. She gave me, or I stole, 3 ways to help us get our house in order, which is much needed by most of us. First thing was begin with yourself. Sometimes our homes need renovation due to years of neglect and lack of repairs. God calls people back to fasting and praying in Isaiah the 58th chapter, and he assured them that as they commune with him, he will empower them to renovate what was broken down. If you want restoration, you want repair, begin with yourself. How? By strengthening your relationship with God. This will position you to make the necessary changes to improve your life. So not only begin with yourself, but motivate yourself. Holistic renovation takes a lot of work and time, which may discourage the average person from doing such a big project because it's going to take you to do this naturally and spiritually. But I'm reminded of what Philippians 4:13 says. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. That's great motivation. If you're willing to learn as well as commit to the work and submit to God, you will be astonished the progress you'll make. And sometimes all you have to do is encourage yourself. Now, so begin with yourself, motivate yourself, and finally, the last thing is keep the right mindset. When you're serious about making changes, even when the work is extensive, the right frame of mind can push you forward when you want to give up, when you want to throw into the towel. Nehemiah, let's look at Nehemiah. When he returned to his homeland, Jerusalem, it was all broken down. It was ruined. Things were terrible. But he and the Jews, despite all the obstacles that stood before them, were able to renovate the city for a reason. Nehemiah 4:6 specified, it tells us, so we build the wall, and all the walls were joined together to half its height. For the people had a mind to work. So my question to you, do you have a mind to work? Renovations are necessary for all of us. So let's take time to read 5 scriptures today. Take these 3 points to heart and apply them. One day you'll look back in awe and how God has made something beautiful out of your life. All because you yield to his will and hung in there through the process of renovation. Happy renovating. God bless you. This has been Pastor Todd, Pleasant Grove Missionary Baptist Church. Once again, I thank you for joining us for our short Bible study. God bless you. Love you. See you next week.